You start by take double leaf. Just take double leaf. Okay. After you show double leaf, you just bring these two cards on the sides right here. Okay. And you just pinch with your buckle right here. Okay. Like this. Okay. So here. Okay. We just take. Okay. Double leaf. And just place it like this. Okay, so you just clip this two card with your buckle, and secretly after you pinch right here, you just let go the front card. Okay, just take. Okay, you just let go and just place it again right here. So right now the back card, okay, you just pinch and the front card is just standing right here. Okay, so here you can see the gap right here. And what happened, okay, when you tilt your hand, the front card will fall and remain the back card. One more time, you just take double leaf, place it, remember, on the edge right here. You just pinch with your buckle, at the same time release the front card and put it back again like this. And after that, what you're going to do is really simple. Just tilt your hand until the front card fall down, and that's when your hand come to cover like this. You just tilt and continue until the card looks like the chain. Okay, one more time here. Take, show, place it and release. Make everything line. Okay, so this is from the side. You can make a space. Okay, when you wave your hand, just tilt and you just continue. Okay, so here, take double, put it on the side, pinch, let go, and you are ready. Okay, just wave, cover, still your hand and continue until the card changes. After that, you just take the final card and show it, and of course it can be examinable. And for the cover, you cannot only use your hand, you can use any object to cover, and make sure there's a space. Okay, you can use a card fan and do the chain.